Enter Dashboard. Click Appearance. Click Themes. Search for OceanWP. Click Install. Click Active after installation. Install several other plugins. Click Plugins. Click Add New. Search Ocean Extra. Click Install Now. Click Active. Install another plugin function. Import website. Click Add New. Input Ocean import in the search box. Click Install. Activate. Skip. Click Skip. Now we need to install another necessary plugins. Click on Theme panel. Click Install Demos. Click Install Now to install those free plugins. The installation time of WooCommerce may be a bit long. Need to be patient. Now need to install another paid plugins. At first, log in OceanWP. After logging in, click My Account in the upper right corner. Click My Downloads. You can see here all required plugins. Download those 4 required plugins. Ocean Elementor Widgets add-on. Click Download and click Done. Save the files. Ocean Footer Callout add-on. Download it. OceanWP Popup add-on. Download it and save it. The last one, Ocean Sticker. Download it and save it. Now we see the 4 plugins. Back to WordPress dashboard. Click Plugins, Add New. Install Ocean Footer Callout add-on. Open the one and click Install. Choose Node right now. Add another plugin. Choose a file, open it, and install now. After installation, activate the plugin. Then need the access key. We copy from OceanWP and paste it and activating. Install Ocean Elementor Widgets add-on. Choose the plugins and install it. After installation is complete, click Activate. Install Ocean Sticker Footer add-on, the last plugin. Choose the plugin, open it and install. After the installation, click Activate. Install OceanWP Popup add-on. Install now. After installation, click Activate. Now we change the version of Elementor. Dashboard Elementor. Tools. Choose 2913. Click Reinstall. Choose Continue. Because the new Elementor version is have a conflict with the themes, so we need the old version. Now we import demo. Go to the next step. Install the demo. Now you can see your website. Congratulations!